from 7TechMate here for another speaker review about HP S6500. Now I know it was manufactured 2 years back, but it have most great features that most other Bluetooth speakers which doesn't have. And at a $30 to $25 range, you get a good build, as well as it has a 5-watt driver, speaker phone option, maximizing volume through the speaker. It's not waterproof or water resistant. We'll talk about more specs. It have Bluetooth connectivity 4.2, 10 hours of battery life, and speakerphone option. Like I mentioned earlier, speakerphone can open up your Bixby, Google, and Siri. When you give the voice command, it opens up your phone app, and yeah, you can say anything you like. Will you be my girlfriend? It will answer. Now when I say 10 hours of battery life, I mean it actually gives more than that. It first use, you have to charge for more than 3.5 hours. After that, the battery life is superb. If you play at a volume level 50%, you can have it will last up to, or it will last up for a week. Battery indicator will help you. I know it's not like most of the other speakers which have more LEDs and it will show you that it is full charge, but when it's full charge, this LED gets off. That means it's fully charged. While it's plugged in, the LED lights up. When it blinks, that means the battery is low. It have a 5-watt driver to fire up a medium-sized room. Sound wise, it's okay. I mean, for a price tag that is $25 to $30, you don't get something like this. So for a budget, this is a good option for most of you guys. Bluetooth connectivity 4.2 helps you to pair even more faster. If you have paired it already, once you switch on Bluetooth via phone, also as soon as it indicates your Bluetooth in your phone, it will start playing where it left last. I mean, as soon as you pair it, it will open up your music app and start playing the song which you left last. It's a cool feature. For some it will be annoying, for some it's very convenient. We'll talk about the build quality of this. Well, it's not metal, either it's not cheap. This matte finish solid plastic gives a premium look. It doesn't feel cheap at all. The metal mesh on top of it gives a premium feeling as well. It's very tough. So the speaker sound will be firing from the top. When you place it like this, you have 360-degree audio because the speaker is facing upwards. It gives you the 360-degree sounding experience, which it doesn't mention in the box. But when I place it right in the middle of a table and when you walk around, it is equal to all the sides. This have a function or a feature. Let's say if your phone volume is 100% and you don't feel like it's enough, well, this volume up button will increase it even more. That means you can bring the speaker volume even more than the phone volume. It doesn't stop where the phone stops. It increases more from the speaker. On and off button is below, which is a bummer, but it's okay. I mean, it's not an expensive speaker, it's $25, $30 speaker. Bluetooth indicator, battery indicator, likewise I told earlier. Volume up, volume down, play, pause, microphone. Yeah. So if the Bluetooth button, Bluetooth LED blinks, that means it's trying to pair. If it's on, it have paired. Battery blinking, battery low. While you have connected the micro USB cable, it will keep lighten up. So that means it's charging. Once it's charged, it will off. So back of the speaker, if you open this rubber cap, you get aux capability and charging. It I mentioned, I'm sorry for the focusing. There you go. It have, sorry about that, don't have nails, suffering. Right, there you go. The aux input, micro USB charging port. It's a rubber cap. Like I said, it's not waterproof because it doesn't have any IP certification. Okay, without further delay, we'll have a sound test. First, I'll be playing songs at 50% volume, and then I'll increase. Alright, I'll increase it to 100%. That is maximum. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you got a good impression about the speaker and you got a good idea about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel so whenever we post a new video, also hit that bell button so you will get the new latest updates as soon as we post something. Well, thank you for watching. See you soon.